Okay. Alright, guys.
Turn right onto B Street.
We're off to wrestle. We got new drip.
They're good or they're good.
Better than good.
Nice warm-ups. Bro, how are you feeling today?
Like I could take first.
Mace, what about you?
Like I could take first.
Mom, are you feeling good? You ready? Okay. Dad, what's going on?
I think I'll get us there safely and slightly late.
Alright, awesome. Yep. Biggest tournament of the year, supposedly, for freestyle and Greco.
14 weight classes for 16.
Other than the state wrestling.
Weight classes for 14.
Yep. 14 weight classes in each division. So, we'll see how it ends up. Front, underhook, go. Do the move. There you go. There it is. Steal it. Stay with it. Keep it. Keep it. Hook it with your leg. There you go. Roll him over. Gut wrench. Nice. Nice and tight. Oh. Move.
You got this, bro!
Crotch lift.
Crotch lift! Get your legs back, bro!
There you go. There you go. Spin behind. Get your 2 points.
Get back!
Chuck it. Draw it by. There you go. Tight. Tight.
Tight! Do it again! One more, Brody! One more! Get it!
There it is.
Step! Woo!
It's a good thing you worked on that at the house.
He's like, I'm gonna keep going.
Hey, did you see how he bared down on the outside? If you put your head up, you could have did that and put that kid straight off the mat. You couldn't stop it.
Did you know when you wrestle, you like stare straight at me?
Let's go, West. Pick it up. Around the waist, around the waist. Drive it, drive it, drive it, drive it, drive it, drive it. Nice. Good job, buddy. Keep it up. You got it. What are you doing? Why did they not lift the truck? They gave the 2 and they gave the signal for me to cut. Let's go, Wes. Keep it up. Leg lace. Leg lace. Throw them out. Go, go, go. You were already there. There you go. Again. Bring him. Oh. Good job, buddy. Let's finish it. Cover, 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 cover.
Tight weight. Good. Hard.
Nope.
Hey, you gotta pop your hips.
Don't give him anything.
Down. Grab the leg. Grab the leg. Grab an ankle. Head on. Head on.
There you go. Take his head.
Reach up the head. Weston.
You got it, buddy. Hey, let's go get him. Hey, Weston. Keep moving, Wes. Keep moving. Watch that lead leg, Wes. Sorry, I missed it. Nice.
Stretch that arm out. Stretch his arm out first.
Keep it tight. Tight elbows if you're going to do that.
Crotch lift.
There you go. There you go. Roll all the way over.
There you go.
You stay on top. You're good.
Again. Again.
Give him another one. Give him another one.
Again. Again. Get your feet under you.
Lift
Watch where
him.
you're at. Know where you're at on the mat.
There you go.
One turn right now.
Roll
Let's
him
go.
over right now and finish it.
One turn. Finish it.
11 seconds.
Get the gut
time.
tight.
One turn.
Get the gut tight. 5 seconds.
5 seconds. 1 point.
Let's go, Weston. Come on, Weston, you need one.
Use that underhook.
There it is. Good job, Wes. Justin Smart. Watch out. Hold his hand up. Stay out.
And then she stepped back and then they were both like this.
Run it. Keep going. Good job, Wes. Keep it up. Let's go, Wes. Sweep. Sweep into him. Let's go, buddy.
Hey, go back to that leg.
Keep the legs.
Keep the legs.
Keep
Keep
down.
There
There you go.
Good job, Wes. The other leg wrapped up. All you gotta do is roll. And you don't have to. It don't have to be perfect. Get on. Get around. There we go.
Settle.
Settle, Brody, settle in!
Plenty of time.
Hips back.
Get back. There you go.
Scoop the head. There it is.
Good job, bro.
Go, West.
Nothing yet. Nothing yet. Let's find our knees again. Arm up. There it is. Keep the legs. Pull them up off her. Pull them up off your legs. Stay in there. There it is. Coverage. Coverage. Let's go, Wes.
Let's go. One more takedown.
One more takedown.
One more mat. Legs back. Slide off. Drag. Slide off.
The ankle. The ankle.
Square up with them. Now square. Now square. You gotta move down there. Right.
Arm around.
Hip tip.
Right arm down here.
Yep. Watch your hips.
Left arm out.
Hip into it. Knee away. Hip knee away. Left arm out. Inside. Hey, where's your head at? Where's your head at? Move your head to your position.
There you go. Take advantage of it.
Get him extended. Get him extended.
Hey, there.
There you go.
Good.
Gut wrench. There you go.
Tighter.
Tight.
Now
There you go.
run. Now run. Pressure forward. Pressure forward. Now go.
There we go. Now we're working. Good job, bro. Let's keep it up.
That's good. Let's win the period. Win the period.
Oh,
Nothing yet.
there you go. Lift
There
it.
you go. Crouch left. Cross his back.
all right.
Cross his back. You're good.
Hey,
Good.
stay crotch. Stay on the crotch.
Stay on the
lift.
crotch.
Crotch.
Go back to your crotch
Go back to
lift.
the crotch.
Crotch lift.
Crotch lift. There you go.
There you go.
Good.
Head
Get
up.
back.
Good. Hey, look at his hips, not the ground.
Keep your legs
Stay
back.
heavy.
Keep your legs back.
Hey, you're good.
Put
Hey,
your hands on
chest
his
wrap,
hips.
chest wrap, chest wrap.
Roll him over.
Chest wrap. There you
Roll him
go.
over.
Pinch his head with your legs.
There you go. Keep going.
Pop your
Keep
hips up.
going.
Pop
Get
up.
out.
Pop up.
Let
Get
go,
your
let
arm
go.
back.
Go
Get
ahead.
your arm back.
Bridge. Roll your hips.
Get your hand
Roll.
off his face.
It's all right. You did good up until the end. Good job, man. Mason, post wrestle interview. How did you feel?
Good.
I'm real mean. I punch people.
You think you're gonna keep working? You got a lot of work to do.
Yeah.
Yeah, you better
Preston,
work. Yeah.
Post wrestle interview. How do you feel?
It was a little easier than I thought it was gonna be. Not gonna lie. 10-0, first place match, so that's pretty sweet. The lady won't give me my medal though, not yet. Papers haven't come in. Yeah. Besides that, we're gonna watch my buddies Bash and Spencer wrestle on Mat 1 here pretty soon. Hopefully that's a good match. Other than that, it's been a good day.